Hey there, how's everybody doing today? Today I got new faceplates for the PlayStation 5. So, after a year, I've had my PS5. Made this nice sticker. But it's been white. It's been alright. But today's mail day. Yeah, mail day. We got a box that says faceplates. So, we're gonna open it up. Put it in, put it on. Faceplate instructions. Thank you. Faceplate instructions. Thank you. Throw that over there. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Alrighty. We'll start with the top side. It has the PlayStation logo up here in the corner. That's the corner that you start with. Now, you just want to try and get this in the video. Right here, see the PlayStation logo. Pull and push down just a little bit, pops off. It was a lot more intimidating than I thought it would be before I tried it. Good idea to just check for dust. Mine's pretty clean, so I don't have to worry about it. But when you take it off, just check for dust. Then plate just goes on, just the way that the other one did. Let's line up the holes. Helps when you put it on the right way. Alright. First time we're here. Ah, there it is. Just snap it in place. Yep, I missed one at the bottom here. So. There it is. Caught me a little bit, but nope, still missed one. Let me get the top or get the bottom. I think I got it that time. Yep, definitely got it that time. So, here's the two-face. Black and white. Next, the other side. Maybe later on I will try the black and white look for a while, but I think I might flip-flop it. I think I might like this side white, this side black. Not bad. See? Top back corner, push down, lift up. Same thing in the reverse. And now I have a black PlayStation 5. Well, hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll do more shit. I'll open it up, let it rip. Have a good day, and as always, send it.